Hello, my package from RobotShop came today. It's a motor mount, pair of brackets to mount the motors, and the and some screws to mount the motor onto the bracket. So let's take a look inside. This is the exterior of the package in a small box. Looks like in good condition. It's light. Packing material. A receipt. Screws. 3mm by 6mm, and the two mounts, motor mounts or brackets, and then this more packing material. And these are the motor mounts. For mounting the motors. I hope these screws fit. I will not open this package. I don't want to lose any screws, but I hope these screws fit. They should. I'll test them out. Thank you for watching.